We have a strip over here, which is already on. All these lights are off. Everything is interconnected with these structures right here. All the switches are off. GFIs are active. Then we're gonna come right here. We have the rest of the connections. Well, I have 3 of these markups, 1 in parallel, 2 in series that are activated. The rest are not activated. From here over, not active. From here over, active. Wind turbine, transmission wires, all hooked up. Everything is ready to go. All you gotta do here is, this is a bypass switch. Push in, you press to release and cut power. You push in to close contact and power this up. This. From here, it's gonna come here. Once you do the same thing to this one here. Boom. All right. Then you're gonna come into the inverter. You're gonna press this button. When this button is on, then you come to main. The strip right here, and you wanna hit that switch. Everything should light up, and that's harvest energy from the wind. Once the whole system is on, you can come over here and you can see the LED lights displaying on the GFCIs. Once those displays are on green, as you can see, then you can come and you can turn the lights on. Boom. 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 Everything is lit. Right now, we have 12.6 volts. And that should be enough for at least an hour or hour and a half of constant power. If you want to kill the power to the system, all you got to do is come here and you hit this and everything turns off. All the power, all the loads are off, but the main system is still on. You want to shut the system off, you go to the inverter, you go to this waterproof ignition protection, open the switch, and then you go to the other one. You see this little button right here, you press, opens and kills. And that's it. System completely off.